see the second salamander race right now.
Wait, no, not yet. No.
No, you're doing part 3. Come on, run! Run!
Run!
Why are you running? I'll fix you. No, don't videotape it. You're doing part 3.
No, why are you running that way? And why is he running that way? Come on.
No, don't videotape it. You're doing part 3.
Look at him go.
Here,
Look at him go. Come on.
No, wrong way.
Wrong way. He's
He
going. And he is the winner of this part. He's stuck.
Okay.
Oh, he's going the wrong way.
He's going the wrong way.
Whatever you guys do, you be careful with them, okay?
Yeah.
He's going the wrong way. He's turning. He's good.
Where's their cage?
Oh, it's right over there.
Okay. Who's been carrying them back and forth?
Me. They're
Make
mine.
sure you don't hurt them, okay?
Okay.
Go. And the winner.
Max, where did you find them?
And he's going.
That's the end.